Some people are looking at it as it's not necessary. But I personally feel that it is very, very necessary. Because looking around this our Ukwuani nation in entirety, we have not felt the presence of government as such. There is no higher institution in Ukwuani land. As big as this my community Abi, we have no hospital. What have we done to government? Our children that finish school, they have nowhere to.
That's marginalization.
That's exactly. They are really marginalizing us.
So Nedimogo talk that day for that meeting, say, in see a mass opportunity for us. And the Southeast people, now our own people. How you see her?
Well, the way I say it may not be the way other people say it. Because today I cannot deny belonging to the southeastern part of the country. When I retired, I started trading and I started going to onitsha. I did not need any interpreter to tell me what they were saying. It's like, yes, these are our people. So I think we can belong there. Because what are we really getting from the south geopolitical zone after all? Go to Warri, all the governors that are developing Warri really every day. Why did they not develop us if we are the same? So I don't think there is anything wrong belonging to anywhere, provided they give us our state. Okay. If they give us our state, are they going to carry this my house to cross the Niger or to Warri or anywhere? I'm seeing where I am.
You all have heard what that woman from Ukwuani land said. Everything she said there is fact. She just gave us the problems that Ukwuani people are facing. She said that there is no government presence in the entire Ukwuani land. There are no higher institutions in the entire Ukwuani land. She said the truth. If you come Ukwuani land, no university. We not get polytechnic. Go and make your research. University and polytechnic not the Ukwuani land. College of Education not the Ukwuani land. This is what we call marginalization. Ukwuani people are suffering in their own land, even when they are the ones feeding the entire country. No government presence at all. Just imagine the wickedness. This one is pure wickedness. When I tell people that Ukwuani and the Kari region are more successful than Ukwuani land, some of my Ukwuani people they talk like that. Not they talk like that. When I get university, no. When I get polytechnic, no. Show me one thing where she'll say government presence dey on our land. They're not going to show you one thing. We have to be saying it so that the world will hear us. So many projects where government don't talk say we will do it in Ukwuani land. Reach today, we never see anyone. Look at this information here. Ndokwa stroke Ukwuani federal constituency, the only federal constituency with many federal and state projects on paper without physical structures. They just take mouth, they cut firewood, take mouth, they cut tree. We will do this thing for Ukwuani people. This federal project, we will build it in Ukwuani land. Now just paper that they build all those things. Reach today, nothing dey that place. Nothing. They not build anything for Ukwuani land. The first one here, Kwale Industrial Park is not yet a dream come true. It's still on paper. Someone went to China to fast track it. Post it on Facebook just to get votes from Ukwuani people. They go just they promise Ukwuani people projects just to get Ukwuani people votes. After election, they forget Ukwuani people. This is what we are facing in Ukwuani land. The second one, Federal University of Agriculture and Technology, Abo, Fuata, is not yet a dream come true. It's still on paper. We now have another trending one. Marginalization. Ukwuani people are suffering in Delta states. Number 3. Federal University of Medical and Health Science, Kwale. According to the trading headlines, it was secured by Omo Agege. Is still not a dream come true. This is what we are facing in Ukwuani land. No university, no poly. No federal healthcare, nothing the Ukwuani land. And when we are saying that we want Anioma State, you will see some Ukwuani people that don't have sense will be telling you, we don't want Anioma State. Did we test in internet that Anioma State is our problem? Person they come make he save una. You are seeing a savior. Instead of supporting him, you they fight and say you don't want Anioma State. Say you want carry us go southeast. Did we tell him we are Igbo people? You not be Igbo people, Urobo people they treat you bad. Since Delta State don't they provide Urobo governors, how many projects now that Urobo governor don't put for Ukwuani land? If you are Urobo, they will treat you right. All those things they build for their land, they go build that for your own land. But they see you as Igbo people. Up till today, Urobo people they call us Igbo people. And I don't blame them because person where you are not be the same. You not go do anything for them. Now so it just be that is the law of nature. You think say it's easy for person where you are not they speak the same language to carry good thing where you supposed to do for your land, come put that for your own. It's not possible. So I'm not blaming them. This is why we are expected to support in the internet and make sure we get Anioma State. I answer Anioma State. I got this in the internet chat on Anioma State. Onyejina. These are one of the Ukwuani women that have sense. See woman, mature woman that is get sense. These are mothers that want the best for their children. These are mothers that want the best for their region, Ukwuani land. No infrastructure in Ukwuani land yet. Now we they feed the country. Crude oil where they Ukwuani too much. Oil companies everywhere for Ukwuani land where they take draw oil yet nothing the Ukwuani land. Go all those communities where they draw those oil. They not get road. They not get hospital. And you go see Ukwuani person will tell you say we now want Anioma State. Did we test in the internet that we want Anioma State? Just imagine what internet they talk. See what Google talk for here. I asked Google, is there any university and polytechnic in Ukwuani land? See what Google they talk. No, there isn't a university or polytechnic located directly within Ukwuani land. Although there are several institutions in the broader Delta states, including the Federal Polytechnic of Washiku and Delta State University. The woman said that her own community, upon as her community big rich, they no get one hospital. Hospital not in their community. She said that graduates from Ukwuani youths who don't go school, come out, they not see job. Marginalization. Common light now Ukwuani not get. The entire Ukwuani land. For more than 20 years, Ukwuani not get light. Just imagine, see protest where Ukwuani people go that day for Kwale. Person they protest say you not get light for more than 16 years, more than 20 years, Ukwuani not get light. Is that not shameful? Nothing of shame. And we get politicians for Ukwuani land, yet they not care about their Ukwuani people. You dey politics for how many years your people not get light? Evil politicians. See, Ukwuani politicians are the most wicked politicians in Delta State. They just the House of Reps doing nothing. You call yourself politician, not dey your place. Your people put you for that place, make you go they represent them, make they carry better thing, they come their land. No be that one be your problem. Your own are just to dey pack money they put for your pockets. If you go Ukwuani, you go ask yourself, now the Ukwuani why they hear up and down be this? If not be Igbo unification movement where they do so many Igbo people don't even know whether you get place where they call Ukwuani. So many Igbo people don't know if there is a place called Ukwuani. If they can't go to Ukwuani land, nothing there where they want to see. No school, no federal presence, nothing. Ukwuani land just empty. The woman said that she cannot deny belonging to the Southeast, which means she finds it good for we Anioma people to be part of the Southeast. She's right. Where we Anioma people supposed they if not the Southeast? We speak the same language with the Southeast. Culture, tradition, way of life, everything. We are the same with the Southeast. So we are expected to be with the Southeast. Any Anioma person will tell you say, we Anioma people, we don't want to be in the Southeast. Southeast is not the best place for us to be. No, say that person not just know what they talk. That person is just saying rubbish. The only excuse that they will bring is, there is insecurity in the Southeast. Is there security in Ukwuani land? Is there security in Nika land? Is there security in Oshimina and Onitsha land? No, there is no security. The same way herdsmen they keep people for southeast, now the same way herdsmen they keep people for this Anioma land where we dey so. When we get Anioma State, politics go change for southeast. We go make our politicians know say now we put them for there, not be them put themselves. If not, any politician will do anyhow, we go see anyhow. Make una mark today. Make we get Anioma State first. We will come show this our politicians say now we put them for that place where they did. Enough is enough. We not go get politicians they suffer. We not go get politicians insecurity go they kill us for our own land. The woman said that when she retired from her work and started trading, that if she goes to Onitsha for trading, that she understands Onitsha people when they speak, and that she needs no interpreter to understand them, and that she found out that Southeast people are our people. She thought say if she go Onitsha main market, say she go dey speak Ukwuani give them, they go dey speak Onitsha dialect they give them, then they hear each other. She no need interpreter to explain wetin they speak give am. Any community where they say if they speak their language they hear, if una they speak una own they hear, una be one people. It's just propaganda and manipulation that made so many Ukwuani people to be telling you that they are not Igbo people, that they are not one people with the southeast. If you follow them sit down like this, they talk now, may they give you reasons why they say southeast not be our brothers. They go they talk rubbish. Nothing where they go talk, where go come out from their mouth, where go make sense. They will just be telling you nonsense. We don't call hand the same thing. We call hand Eka, they call hand Aka. We are not the same people. Now those rubbish they go they tell you. People that don't know the difference between language and dialect. A language is the way a nation speaks and interacts with each other. What is a nation? A nation is a people that speak the same language, that have the same culture and tradition. That is a nation. Examples of nation: Igbo is a nation. Ukwuani is part of Igbo nation. Eka is part of Igbo nation. Oshimina and Onitsha is part of Igbo nation. Ikwere is part of Igbo nation. Every Bia speaking people is part of that Igbo nation. So when we say Igbo nation, Ukwuani is part of Igbo nation. Ukwuani is Igbo. They are part of Igbo nation. We are not separate from the southeast, our brothers. Any professor at any professor, no matter who that person know, that person tells Ukwuani not be Igbo. That person na fake professor. You don't know anything. Mind you, so many professors today are political professors. Politics neither they play. Politics don't spoil so many people profession. You go see person where you think say this person they wise and intelligent person. When it comes to politics, you go begin to talk rubbish. That's why I see one person where call himself professor. They just say, hey, Ukwuani is not evil. You start to give you a reason. Can you imagine? You say you go school, you not get common sense. Since Ukwuani people start to declare say they not be Igbo people, which good achievement they don't enter Ukwuani land? Southeast now your problem. Yet you Ukwuani people alone as on a day, no good thing if you enter on a land. Make we get Anioma State go southeast. Boom. On a mouth begin sharp. If not the Anioma State matter, who know ANU? ANU where they parade themselves, we are the social cultural organization overseeing the affairs of Ukwuani land. ANU the Ukwuani not get university. ANU the Ukwuani not get polytechnic. ANU the no federal hospital for Ukwuani land. ANU the nothing good enter Ukwuani land, and you are saying that you are the social cultural organization overseeing the affairs of Ukwuani people. Social cultural organization where we say they not mean well for Ukwuani people. Senator they fight for Anioma State, make it carry us go south, make we coexist with our brothers, make all the good things our brothers know for south is make it enter Ukwuani land, make we see investors, make Ukwuani land grow. When I say no, say na south on one day. The south where you dey, not they do you good. Delta State, the same south where you dey, not they do you good. South where competition day, now there you want enter. What do we Ukwuani people know? What do we know for business? Instead of joining our southeast brother, make we learn that business where they know. Make our youths get work. No be that one be on a problem. China kind of in southeast, kind of in south Kalema where they going in the southeast, where Janala has to sign you. Just they give you a year reasons. And you know they represent Ukwuani people. Those people just they represent their own pockets. Politicians, Ukwuani not get. Social cultural organization, Ukwuani not get. Their only power now to the fight Senator Ned Nwoko say they don't want Anioma State. All the time they're gonna play this song. And in the choir, they're gonna play the song, they laugh. Not be say the song they reach their mind. Now make Senator won't go give us Anioma State, make we grow Ukwuani land. They begin to fight them. I answer Anioma State. When you go to the Senator, shout on Anioma State. Anioma State is going to be zoned to the southeast. Whether anybody for Anioma like am or not, na southeast we they go. You are free to give your opinion. Hey, we should remain in south. You just they talk. Anioma State must be zoned to the southeast. Our ancestors started the agitation of Anioma State, and they want Anioma State to be zoned to the southeast. You are not wiser than our ancestors. Now you today now one to say Anioma no go join southeast. What will be the benefit of Anioma people if they stay in south? May they not kill us, southeast people. We are afraid of the Biafra war. No, you they keep for the Biafra war. It was because of Kaduna and Zogo from Anioma that made they kill the entire southeast and Anioma people. Now they go over we are not joining the southeast now. Lie, we are all joining the southeast. They are our brothers now. That is where we belong. Lazy people everywhere. Instead of to take your responsibility to work and be a better person, no. You dey blame southeast for problem where you bring. Wicked people everywhere. The woman asked, what are we Ukwuani people benefiting from this south? Nothing we Ukwuani people they benefit for south in the entire Delta state. Now Ukwuani people they suffer pass for these states. People will not get university, people will not get poly, people will not get federal presence. Is that not suffering? People will not get good road, people will not get lights for the past 20 years. You dey talk say not be Igbo people. Urobo people they treat you as Igbo person. You don't want to use your sense, know where you belong. Those who are the people that say that they are not Igbos, no mind all those people. They born them enter identity crisis. Since there's someone that they tell and say we are not Igbos. Now why they talk say they're not Igbo people? If to say we Ukwuani people, they part of Southeast since. So many Ukwuani people will be claiming that they are Igbo people. They go carry Igbo for head because they believe that they are Igbo people. Now because of this divide and rule, now it makes so many Ukwuani people they talk they're not Igbo. And I don't blame them. I only they blame all those Ukwuani people who say they don't travel around the southeast. They don't travel wide. They don't read. But they still they talk say Ukwuani not be Igbo. Educated illiterates. Now what would they call such people? If you go school, try get sense, follow them. Now you should say you go school. In fact, school not be sense. So many people they go school but they don't get sense. Sense is better than certificate. Get sense first. The woman said that Delta state governors are only developing Warri and other parts of Urobo land. That they don't develop Ukwuani land because we are not one people with them. And it's true, not true. That is fact. How you expect person to say now Urobo they speak, make you call they develop Ukwuani land where they speak Igbo? It's not possible. I've said this thing countless times. It's not easy for person to say now not they speak the same language, will be different people entirely. For that person to come they develop your land, it's not possible. They don't say we not be one people with them. So they get that opportunity to be the governors of Delta State. Now why did they carry all the investments? They go their land. Ukwuani people know where you belong. We are Igbo people. We are not different from the southeast. Ukwuani people will be complaining, southeast, we no want just southeast. Now southeast now keep on for darkness where una they know. Make una use una sense they think. Now southeast now not bring development to Ukwuani land, no. Now southeast be una politicians for Ukwuani land, no. Now southeast be the president of this country, no. So what is your problem? How is southeast your problem? Why una no one join southeast for this Anioma State? Though now a few Ukwuani people they talk say they no one join southeast. You know say any news where be say either against southeast, now social media they spread. But if you see Ukwuani person where to say they want make Ukwuani join southeast, they not go spread that one because they not go make everybody hear waiting that person they talk. So many Ukwuani people know that they are Igbo people. Those few people for Ukwuani where they talk say we Ukwuani are not joining the southeast, if they talk finish, make the entire house go sleep. Their opinion don't count. She said that we need Anioma State and that there's nothing wrong belonging anywhere. And that if we join Southeast, that no one will take her house and cross the river Niger. That is truth. She just said the fact. If we get Anioma State, they're not going to come carry our house for Ukwuani and go southeast. Now still the same Ukwuani where we dey now we dey. Southeast is just a geographical location for a specific people. She let us say Southeast na Igbo. We be Igbo people. We go join Southeast. Now there we suppose dey. Let we Ukwuani people support Anioma State. Let's support Senator Nwoko and get Anioma State. If we actualize Anioma State, we are making sure that we join the Southeast where we belong. Any problem where they come, we Anioma people wey don join Southeast, we go solve that problem with our Southeast brothers together. Remain blessed, my people. Share well.